Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to tell you that how to build or create forms basically online using a website called Tally, and it's free website that you can easily use it. The link of this website is already given in the description box from where you can easily access to this website. After opening this website, you can easily use this website by not signing up also, but after signing up you will get more options. You can access more options like templates, and in this video only I'm going to use the templates, and I'm going to customize them and make you sure set the best example for you to create forms. Even without using templates, you can create your own kind of form according to your wish, right? So when you will click on templates, you will get lots of templates over here. For example, you will get registration form, contact form, feedback form, or even you can create some quizzes. If you are a teacher, it would be a best for you. This website could be the best website for you to create forms. If you want to create some quiz for your students, you can easily create quiz. If you want to create some question papers, you can create question papers from here, so that students can easily answer in those quizzes, those forms only. And even they can, if they want to add any diagram, so they can even add a diagram, picture of the diagram, or a video also if required. Okay, so moving further, I have already chose a template which is related to registration, and in this, when you will click on this, you will get the option use this template. You have to simply click on that option. Moving further, you will get the customization section, and here you can easily customize almost every part of this form. For example, if you want to add a new block, you can simply click on this plus icon. If you want to trash, basically if you want to remove this block, you can simply delete this block. Or moving, there is more advantages also. If you want to add a logo, you can simply click on this and you can add a logo. I'm going to show how can you. Okay, so I've already created a logo for this. I've already added to this. Now, if you want to add a cover to this, so you can simply add like change cover. I've also created a cover for this. Simply select it from here. Now, if I want to reposition it, just simply reposition it like this, and now save the position. Okay, moving further, if you want to drag this, or if you want to want this option to uh, just beside to the first name, so you can simply do like this, right? If you want like this, so you can simply do something like this according to your changes, right? You can do it like this. Okay, and if you want to make sure, if you also want this option to be there only, so you can do it like this. Okay, now I'm going to add some of the questions over here. So for example, I want to add question of drop down. Just simply click. For example, I want to add a question of do you need a hotel room? Okay. In options, I'm going to write yes, and the another option which will be no. Okay, done. Moving further, I want to add another question which will be related to dates or checkbox. Okay, first checkbox, then we'll move to the dates one. Okay, like gender. Okay, in gender, first option, second option, another option. Okay, done with this. Moving next, I want to add another question which is related to dates. Question plus date. Okay, insert. The question can be that what are your desired dates to stay? Right? Now, in this, I want two sections or two blocks for the dates because I want the arrival and departure date. So, I'm going to click over here, then date and insert. Okay, and I want this to be here actually. Okay, I'll write the placeholder text first: arrival and then departure. Okay, done with these. I have added one, two, three. Okay, three questions. I have added three questions which are almost different from each other. First one is related to drop down, second one is of checkbox, third one is of dates. Okay, now if you want to add something else also, you can add it. For example, I'll show you that what you can add. If you want to add a short answer, long answer, a multiple choice question, or a checkbox, or a drop down, multi select also, a number, email, phone number, link also, date, time, file upload. For example, I have already in the starting of the video, I have told you that you can add image or video. So in this, by adding to this option, you can add file upload, payment, ratings, ranking, many other things also. There are like I have already told you that you can add image, video, audio also, right? So this is the form which I have created. Okay, moving to next one, which I would like to tell you that when you will click on these dots, right, which are available over here, when you will click, you can make changes like make the questions according like required questions. You can add default answer in international format, default country code. If you want to delete it, if you want a duplicate section of that block, you can create it from here. Okay, so these are some of the changes, and these are the things which you can add. Now, the end section of this form, that is thank you page, when the user will register to this form, they after registering to this form, a new page will open to that person, that is thank you page, and that page is also customizable, where you can add done, or you, if you want to write something, or if you want to add something else, you can easily just simply click on this insert block, and you can simply add, right? After finishing all the things, you have to simply click on publish option. After this, you will get this link. When you will share this link, the person will be able to access to this form, and he or she can easily submit the form, and you will get the submissions of that form here. As right now, no one has basically submitted this form, so it's showing that no completed submission yet. After submissions, you can get the results over here. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope everything is clear. If you want something else related to forms, which I can share you, which is not being shared in this video, so I'll create a new video and I'll try to add many more things in that one. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope everything is clear. If something which is not clear to you all, you can just simply comment down below, and I'll try to answer your questions. And thanks for watching my video, and do subscribe my channel. Bye.